Hey everyone, Lula Talk YouTube channel here, ready to dive into the awesome world of coding with Python? It's easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages, super versatile and powerful. You can build websites, analyze data, even create artificial intelligence, all with Python. But first things first, we need to set up our coding environment. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. We'll be using two amazing tools, Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook. Think of them as your trusty sidekicks on this coding adventure. Let's get started. First up, we need to grab Anaconda. Anaconda is a free distribution of Python, which basically means it's a package deal with everything you need to start coding. Head over to the Anaconda website using your favorite web browser. You'll see a big green download button. Click it. Now, you'll see download options for different operating systems: Windows, macOS, and Linux. Choose the one that matches your computer. Downloaded it? Awesome. Let's move on to the installation. Coding. Section 4. Did it work? Let's check. Before we dive into coding, let's make sure everything is set up correctly. This step is crucial because it ensures that we won't run into any unexpected issues later on. This part might sound a bit techy, but trust me, it's super simple. Even if you're not a tech wizard, you'll be able to follow along without any problems. Open up your command prompt, Windows or Terminal, macOS, Linux. This is where you'll be able to communicate directly with your computer's operating system. Don't worry, it's just a way to talk to your computer directly. Think of it as having a conversation with your machine, telling it exactly what you want it to do. Now, type in Python, version without the quotes, and hit enter. This command will check if Python is installed on your system and show you the version number. If you see a Python version number printed out, congratulations, you're good to go. This means Python is installed correctly and you're ready to start coding. If you get an error message, don't panic. It's a common issue and can be easily fixed. Double check that you installed Anaconda correctly and try again. Sometimes a simple reinstall can solve the problem. If the problem persists, there are tons of helpful resources online, or you can hit me up in the comments below. The coding community is always ready to help out, so don't hesitate to ask for assistance. Section 5. Unleashing the power of Anaconda Navigator. Now for the fun part, let's open up Anaconda Navigator. This handy tool is like the control center for your Python environment. You can find Anaconda Navigator in your Applications menu, Windows, or Applications folder, macOS. Click on it to launch. You'll be greeted by a sleek interface with a bunch of cool tools. The one we're interested in right now is Jupyter Notebook. Section 6. Jupyter Notebook, your coding playground. Jupyter Notebook is where the magic happens. It's an interactive coding environment that lets you write and run Python code in a super intuitive way. To launch Jupyter Notebook, simply click the Launch button below the Jupyter Notebook tile in Anaconda Navigator. This will open up a new tab in your web browser, and you'll see the Jupyter Notebook dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your coding playground. From here, you can create new notebooks, open existing ones, and manage your files. Right? This is just the tip of the iceberg. As you become more comfortable with Jupyter Notebooks, you'll find that they are an invaluable tool for exploring data and sharing your findings. From here, the possibilities are endless. You can dive into data analysis, create stunning visualizations, or even build machine learning models. The flexibility and power of Jupyter Notebooks make them a favorite among professionals and hobbyists alike. You can explore the world of Python, experiment with different libraries, and build amazing things. Whether you're analyzing data, creating visualizations, or developing machine learning models, Jupyter Notebooks provide a versatile and powerful environment to bring your ideas to life. So let's get this coding party started and see where your creativity takes you.